Numbers are great, but visuals, they speak louder. In today's lesson, we're diving into one of Excel's most exciting features, charts. You'll learn how to create, customize, and choose the perfect chart to make your data come alive. Hi everyone, welcome to First Steps in Excel, your go-to place for learning Excel from scratch. I'm Wayne, I'm a software trainer with over 10 years of experience helping adults feel confident with tech. If you've ever opened Excel and thought, what is this grid of boxes? Don't worry, you are not alone and you're in the right place. Okay, welcome back to First Steps in Excel. In our last few sessions, we've been working with data, adding, formatting, and organizing it. But now it's time to make the data come alive. In today's session, we're learning about charts, one of Excel's most powerful tools for visualizing information. You'll discover how to create a chart from your table, pick the right chart type, and customize it with titles, labels, and colors. Because once you've got data, it's time to make it visual. Looking at rows and columns and numbers can get overwhelming. That's where charts come in. They turn your data into visuals you can instantly understand. With just a glance, a chart can show trends, comparisons, or patterns that might take minutes to find in a table. Charts don't just decorate your data, they communicate it. Let's create our first chart together. Start by selecting your data. For example, I'm going to be choosing my category and actual spent column. Then from here, go to Insert, Recommended Charts, and just like that, you'll see that Excel builds your first chart for you. You can select which chart you prefer from the list, and then once you're happy, click OK. And now you'll see your chart gets added onto your spreadsheet. And then from here, you can click and drag it to move it around the screen, or you can use the corners to resize it so it fits perfectly beside your data. Okay, so different charts tell different stories. So you'll probably see I've got a few different types of charts on my screen. So we're going to start with column charts. These are great for comparing values. Pie charts show how each piece contributes to the total. This is ideal for things like percentages and parts of a whole. And then another example I've got are line charts. These highlight changes, maybe like over time. This is perfect for showing trends or growth. We're also going to try switching between chart types too. So if we go to, say, chart design, then click on change chart type. And then as you can now see, you can switch between different charts to find the best one that brings your story to life. Once you've got your chart, let's make it clear and professional. So if we click on your actual chart, and then use the chart elements function, the little plus on the right, and then let's say add the following. If you tick a chart title and then maybe data labels, you'll see now you're starting to modify your chart. And then also if we click on the chart styles, you can change the look of your chart and you can change the colors as well. I would suggest maybe keep a chart simple for now. Use clear titles and maybe choose colors that make your data easy to read. You can also easily move your chart anywhere on your sheet. Just hold and drag it into place. To make it fit better, you can simply grab one of the corners and drag it to resize. Charts are all about presentation. It makes your visual clean and balanced. So, now you know. That's your introduction to charts in Excel. Now you know how to create, customize, and choose the best chart to visualize your data. And if you found this helpful, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. Okay, now it's your turn to give this a try. Let's bring your data to life with a quick hands-on exercise. So we're going to start by creating a simple table. For example, this could be month by actual spent. And then from here, you're going to highlight your data and insert a column chart. Then add a clear title and maybe data labels so it's easy to read. And then you could experiment a little, switching it to maybe a bar chart, then a line chart. And you'll notice how each one tells your data's story a bit differently. And finally, make it your own. Maybe adjust the colors, resize it a little, and move it wherever it looks best on your sheet. And that's it, guys. Have fun exploring, because once you get the hang of charts, your spreadsheets won't just show numbers, they'll tell the stories. Okay, everybody, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a step. I will see you all in the next video.